The basics of using a jig saw. Parts. Power supply. Blade. Blade release. Plate. Handle. Variable speed control. This is often built into the trigger. Blade roller. Bevel adjustment. Some models will have an additional orbital action switch. Safety. Wear safety glasses. Use hearing protection. Tight-fitting gloves are recommended. Operation. Start the tool before the blade makes contact with the material. Keep the plate flat against the material while making your cut. Move slow and steady through the material. Secure the material. Turn the blade slowly through the curves and do not twist too tight during the cut. How to change a blade. Disconnect the power before making any adjustments. Choose the proper blade type and length for the type of material. Use the blade lock to release the blade and pull the blade out. Insert a new blade and re-engage the blade lock. Check that the blade is in tightly.